Alright, well, as you guys know, with the white Focus, it is big turbo full bolt-ons tuned by JST. Recently, I just added the ESP from Elliott Motorsports 4-port aux kit. So basically, I just wanted to go over it and then, I don't know, just explain the differences, why you should or why you shouldn't get it, if you're interested in getting it. So basically, yeah, it adds 4 extra injectors so you can run E85. You can go full E85, E50, E40, whatever you want, whatever your preference is. So basically right now I'm on an E30 tune from Brian from JST. He said he maxed me out on fuel, so I got the aux kit so we can push more fuel and I can make more horsepower. So basically this is my ethanol content sensor that I got from Amazon. It was universal. And the cool thing with this kit from ESP is it comes with everything. It comes with the quick disconnect fittings and everything that you need. The only thing I guess that I had to get was just a fuse tap, and I still haven't even added it for the split-second controller, but I still have a lot of wire managing to do. It was just because I just put it on. I'm obviously gonna make all this nice and everything like that. But yeah, so the injectors that I got are the 1050 DI, or yeah, DI injectors is the biggest one on there on his website for it. My plans with the kit, basically all I'm gonna do is just try to run full 85 or just try different things out and just see how much I can make, just max out the motor. The cool thing is harness that you can get that goes in between your coil pack and the engine harness itself, so you don't have to like tap into every wire. It's gonna come with this head right here. You're gonna make it up and then put it in there, and then it just plugs in like that. It's just how I have it for now, until I get it all nice and pretty. Yeah, so basically it comes with the fuel rail, the injectors that you selected on the website. I think there's only like 2 options. It's, you know, pretty easy to install. You just got your green wire going to your map sensor here, and then if you have ethanol content sensor, it's just gonna go in between the lines that they give you, and it's cool how they do that already. And then with the wiring, it's just, you know, red power, black ground, and then the other 4 yellow ones are just gonna go to each and every coil pack. When you start it up, it does have a small difference that you can tell right away when starting it up. You can hear the injectors. So you can hear them pretty well. Alright, so I'm just going to show you, like, to see if you see any differences at all. But the cool thing about the kit is you can kind of hear the difference. Like, if you know your car, you're going to know when it sounds different. But it's like a good different. So basically, it's just on E30 with the 4-port aux fuel. You can hear, like, the exhaust popping more from the ethanol, from the more ethanol being added. There's a significant change already, like once you start driving it after just installing it with your horsepower. It's probably just added a little more. I'm still on the same tune, but he sent me a base aux map, and then from there we can adjust things. But basically that's how the tuning is going to go for it. It sounds good, the whole car runs good. That's the cool thing about it. It's like you never put it on there, but you can hear like the small differences. But yeah, I recommend getting the kit. I mean, it's pretty pricey, but honestly it's worth it in the long run. It's gonna be worth it in the long run. because you can push more horsepower to your car after getting maxed out of stock fuel. But yeah, I highly recommend it. If you have any questions when installing this aux kit, I can answer them. Just comment them below or go to my Instagram and message me. It can seem overwhelming with all the wires and everything, but it's honestly a really simple concept, and there's really no crazy complicated procedure or anything like that. But it's definitely worth it if you have a Focus ST and you're thinking about getting one.